Huey Quartermanch. I'm the founder and CEO of Procor. The future we are delivering is one where technology fades into the background as silos of information just disappear, where the right people effortlessly access the right information at the right time, and where groundbreakers just like you are enabled to do your life's best work.
Adding estimating and takeoff to the Procore platform helps complete our pre-construction solution so everyone can quickly build accurate construction cost estimates and self-perform teams can win more projects in less time. Uploaded drawings are automatically captured in the plans view where you can begin your takeoff. Select from a comprehensive catalog of materials and assemblies with pre-built rates. And you can even create your own custom rates. Easily start your count or measure by selecting your material or assembly and select the corresponding item on the drawing. Takeoff time is then dramatically reduced by leveraging auto count using symbol recognition. How cool is that? Once your takeoff is complete, your quantities and assemblies flow directly into your estimate where you can adjust labor and material cost, add overhead and profit, and create a customer-facing quote with additional notes like inclusions and exclusions. For self-perform contractors using the estimate to respond to a bid invite, that quote can be exported and attached to your bid package in Procor. After being awarded the contract, your final estimate can then be directly synced to the budget, creating a seamless workflow connecting estimating to financials.
It's never been easier for your field teams to access and use the model. They can simply navigate in the model to where they're standing in the building and create a coordination issue or observation from the mobile viewer. And this issue syncs to the platform, not just to the web application, but it also syncs to our integration with Navisworks. So wherever your BIM teams are and wherever they're now coordinating remotely, they can access that field issue instantly and get to work solving that conflict to keep your field teams moving. The Coordination Issues tool is now available on mobile, which round trips the entire coordination process back to the field. In this example, the status of the issue is released, which means the RFI associated with it has an official response. They can open up the approved RFI, see the response from the design team, and any attachments associated with it. It's also BCF compliant, so if you tap on the image in the top, it will launch the mobile viewer to that exact spot, so you can see the changes that were made to the model in the RFI. Connected, collaborative platform with BIM. Coming out in the next few months, first on mobile, then on web, is the ability to see all users in the model in real time, where they are and what they're looking at. This will be available both in the 3D view as well as the 2D navigation view. So if you open up the 2D sheet, depending on what level the user is on, they will show up and you can see exactly where they are. You can simply select the icon in the top right corner to see everyone in the session, and you can navigate directly to their view and see exactly what they're seeing. So I'm very excited to announce a groundbreaking new enhancement to BIM, currently in beta, dynamic wall elevations. Field teams can now use the coordinated model, navigate to an area, click the wall, and simply draw an elevation. But what you'll notice is as I zoom into the trade, I get dynamic dimensions and context to the objects. The more I zoom, the more detail I get. If I select any of those objects, the first dimension I get is center line off of grid and off of level. You'll also notice it tells you the name of the object at the top. When I select that object again, I get the outside dimensions of that object to grid and level. You'll also see a sectioning tool in the bottom right, and if I drill into the wall, you'll see the riser to the bottle refilling station on the left. When selecting the riser, I get center line and outside dimensions to grid, so I can ensure that I'm installing everything exactly per the plan. With our new APIs for BIM, Struction Site has integrated Procore's web viewer side by side with their 360 video walk, so teams can validate as-built conditions and productivity in the field against what was planned in the model. So partners, you can now leverage our web viewer to enhance your products, creating a truly holistic platform experience. It's never been easier for your field teams to use the model.
We constantly hear from all of you. The schedule is the heartbeat of your project. And that's why, over the past year, we've completely rebuilt our schedule tool from the ground up to provide a better view of tasks, milestones, and dependencies. So today, I'm here to announce Schedule Lookaheads, currently in open beta. General contractors can now actively collaborate with trade partners to schedule what's happening on a day-to-day basis. Based on dates and tasks pulled from the master schedule, project managers and superintendents can now add more detailed information to subtasks and define start dates and timeline windows. Trade partners can be invited to view and adjust the dates of tasks and create more granular subtasks that need to be completed. It's easy to compare the look ahead to the master schedule for any discrepancies and share with your project team. This reduces the risk of operating outside project milestones and the critical path. As work is completed, tasks can be updated with % complete, so everybody knows what's been done, what needs to be done, and who will actually be doing it.
I'm so excited to introduce, available now, the new Correspondence tool. With Correspondence, companies have a highly flexible solution to record, process, and respond to different types of project correspondence, all the while creating an audit trail of all communication. From general to contractual correspondence, you can now capture, manage, and record it all in one place. Customizable templates and default fields save you time so you don't have to re-enter the same data time and time again. You can use markups to link any piece of correspondence to a specific drawing to ensure that the context is clear for everybody on the project. Create RFIs or change events straight from a correspondence, further streamlining your team's processes. Quickly monitor the status of various communications to keep your team accountable for when a response is expected. Easily generate or distribute reports to gain new insights that were previously too time-consuming or impossible to create. In Correspondence, everything is easily accessible in one place so you can minimize risk and mitigate project disputes. Action plans give you the ability to clearly define the structure of your quality plans, set the supporting criteria, and seamlessly execute on that plan from one controlled location. Outline plan sections and steps. Add activity descriptions or expectations. Link to the necessary reference documentation for clarity. Get insight into schedule creep and maintain accountability for all critical milestones through verification methods such as hold points and assignee signatures. And take action on request or documentation linked within the action plan. This gives your field teams the clarity they need to execute your plan successfully for a higher quality build in a safer environment.
Two of the most important parts of every project are always your schedule and your budget. When you put these together on the Procore platform, you have a complete view of project financials in real time. We are introducing advanced forecasting in the budget. Now you can forecast cash flows before a project begins and then update them on a monthly basis throughout the course of construction. Past months are replaced with actual spend, and future months can then be reforecasted, giving all project stakeholders access to the actuals to date. And by using built-in spread curves such as front-loaded, back-loaded, and normal distribution, you can project the remaining forecast by month for each line item depending on the scope. I'm happy to tell you we have a new enhanced budget detail report. You can now quickly and easily generate detail-level financial reports, and these reports are configurable to meet the exact needs of your construction and corporate finance teams. But for these forecasts to be accurate, financial events and project progress need to be documented as they happen. But now, with the Procore platform, you get real-time financial productivity tracking. It brings together the production data from the field and instantly applies it to your budget, providing real-time visibility into production cost and its impact on the projected final cost. So now you can effectively forecast your project budget based on up-to-date actuals, identify at-risk scopes of work, and act fast to make sure decisions that ensure profits are not lost in the field.
Today, the platform is more flexible than ever with configurable page forms and more places to add custom fields. This means you can customize Procor to collect whatever you need. One way we're seeing this functionality used is within the notes log and the daily log. Let's say you're working on government projects with DBE requirements. Well, now you can add those fields to the log and it's easy to automatically apply this as the default to only those specific projects they should apply to. And if our out-of-box fields don't work for your company or project, you can create a custom field so you can work the way you want to work. Stellar, a general contractor in Florida, added custom fields to their daily log to improve site safety. They added a simple checkbox to track trade partners who have completed a safety plan of action and then marked it as required. Once a new custom field is created, Procor automatically makes the new field available on all tools where custom fields are supported. That's the power of the Procore platform. Procor is world-class at capturing all your rich project data, and finding what you need quickly is important. Well, it's time to say hello to the all-new Procore Search. We redesigned Search from the ground up, allowing you to start a search from anywhere and search across all of the tools within the Procore platform. And search results include not only records from Procore tools, but references found inside documents and attachments, including Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, CSV, and PDF files. This new search experience is so much better because you can find what you're looking for faster. Now when you search for an RFI, Procore Search will return that RFI, but it'll also return drawings details, the change order corresponding to that RFI, and any correlating information. Now it's time to talk about how to get meaningful insights from all this with Procore Analytics.
I'm happy to be here and happy to show you Procore Analytics' new reports and dashboards. With the new Budget Benchmark Report, owners can compare financial performance for similar projects, making forecasting and planning significantly more accurate. And for all of you executives out there, the status report provides budget and schedule insights across your portfolio, so you can identify projects that require your attention and focus your assets where they're needed most. With investments in machine learning and artificial intelligence, Procore Analytics provides everyone deeper insights through reports like key influencers and root cause analysis to drive better business decisions. Check out this example. The root cause analysis report can examine incidents to identify where injury counts are highest. This quickly gets to the heart of where things are going wrong. Now empowered with meaningful insight, you can take action to reduce the risk of injury. Some of the most transformative technology companies are integrating with and building on top of the Procore platform. Procore's App Marketplace is your one-stop shop to find products and solutions that extend your company's technology investment. Procore's new app management metrics give you visibility into app usage across your projects and teams. This allows you to identify power users, as well as who can be tapped to develop best practices, further driving adoption.
It's all part of our mission to connect every stakeholder and process on a complete construction platform. Thank you for joining us today. We're looking forward to partnering with you to build what's next.